Hi. So guys, we're back here at J Park and we're gonna have lunch here at Abalone. And Mone, of course, one of my favorites today is kanila pizza station. A freshly made pizza niya. So yun, nakita pizza ba eh. Carbonara pizza today. Not like caprese and carbonara. Of course, they have their roasted lamb leg. Favorite sa niya, ang sausage there. O, ito mga fries, tempura, himo niya. Ay, wala na, sit down. This is the meal station in San Diego. Wala na, may soup pa na ito. Okay, man. Of course, fish pie, apple tofu, chicken muffin. Of course, itong roasted chapay. Kaya itong tihiwa na sad, sa itong tinupang baboy, sa samgyeopsal. And more dishes. Nasa roasted. Our favorite station today, of course, the Korean station, which has a lot of Korean dishes. There is a noodle station, and that's our chef. And we have our Indian food here. Salted fish. Uy! Uy! Itong dimsum. Wala. And talking about the noodle station. And then atong favorite sa diri kanilang roasted chicken.
Kabaw na gas.
Sa inabit. Mga na ta. But yeah. Sa pamailanganan, we'll have a press con today sa movie called Topak or Triggered. And that's what we're gonna have. That's why we have lunch, diba? Before we ask questions nila. So muna, kumunta na mo support MMFF. And here's the Japanese station. Muna na itong quick browse atong mga kanon na rin sa Abalone here at J Park. And napalabi, but I'm sure nakahan sa tagkanon. Probably just have pizza and some roast today. So, bye! So, wala. So, wala. Oh, Sunday no, nag-grabe na kay Sunday no.
Hello!
So, pahimo na tag noodles ba para mga ulata. And thank you so much for watching. Kung mabisit po sa Recibo, check out J Park, one of the best resorts.